Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can integrate SendPulse with Pipedrive. So, this is useful to automate email campaigns and improve lead nurturing directly from your CRM. So, the first thing that you will have to do is ensure that you've already logged into your SendPulse account. And from here, it really depends on the layout of your screen or the version that you have, but somewhere right here you should see the integration section, so it should be somewhere right here, so you just gotta explore that. So once you go to your integrations, you will just have to search for Pipedrive, and then you will click connect and log into your Pipedrive account, and then of course you will allow access. And then of course you will have to map fields by matching Pipedrive fields with SendPulse fields, and ensure correct contact syncing. And yeah, you can also decide on one-way or two-way sync and set frequency of updates. And you can test integration by sending an email, a test email, and verifying new contacts in Pipedrive appear in SendPulse. So yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.